Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to send a file from phone to PC via Bluetooth. This tutorial is for Android. It may or may not work in iOS. Follow along. Firstly, you're going to swipe down and click the settings icon on the top right. From there, go to connections where it says Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And then you're going to open Bluetooth. Turn the Bluetooth on and it will scan for the available devices. Now you're going to come to your PC. Before we start, you will need a Bluetooth device for your PC that you can order online or buy from your local store. As for laptops, they already have Bluetooth built in, so you don't need to purchase external device for them. So now, go to the search bar on the bottom left and search Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth and other device settings and turn on your Bluetooth. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device and select the Bluetooth option. Once you have done that, it will show you all the available Bluetooth devices, including your phone. Click on your phone's name and press Connect. You're gonna also press OK or Connect on your phone when it pops up, and once you do that, the two devices will be connected. Now go to the taskbar menu and click on this arrow on the bottom right. You will see the Bluetooth icon. Right-click on it, and it will show you some options. Click on Receive a File and your PC is now ready to receive a file from your phone. Now switch to your phone and let's choose an image file for the purpose of this video. Find the Share option on your phone and select Bluetooth. Once you do that, you will choose your computer from the devices and it will start sending the file to your computer. Now you can share files using Bluetooth between your PC and phone.